So hey guys, today we discuss about design and continental of currency. The early currency of United States did not exhibit faces of presidents as its custom now. Although today by the law only the portrait as a deceased individual may appear on United States currency. In fact, the newly formed government was against having the portraits of leaders on the currency, a practice compared to politics of European monarchs. The currency as we know is today did not get the faces currency until the after early 20th century. Before that had the side of coinage used profile face and striding seated and standing figures from Greek and Roman mythology and composite Native Americans. The last coin to be converted profile of historic American where the dime and dollar 1971 thought a Spanish dollar after the American Revolution. The 13 colonies become independence. Freedom of British monetary regulation. They each issued as the papers money to pay a military expenses. The Continental Congress also began the ensuing continental currency dominated in Spanish dollar for its value related to states currency. See early American currency. Continental currency depreciated badly during the war, giving rise to famous phrase, not what continental. A primary problem was that the monetary policy was not coordinated between the Congress and the states, which continues to issue bills of credit. Additionally, neither Congress nor the governments of several states and will the means of entire bills for circulations through taxations or the sales of bonds. The currency was ultimately replaced by silver dollar at the rate of one silver dollar to 1000 continental dollars. It gave rise to phrase not what continental and was responsible for clause in articles 1 section 10 of United States Constitutions, which reads, no state shall make anything but the gold and silver coin, a tender in payments of debts,